Welcome to my channel. Why is my scanner not showing on my printer? Easy solutions. Step 1. Check the USB or network connection. Make sure the printer is properly connected to your computer using a USB cable or Wi-Fi network. Loose connections can prevent the scanner from appearing. Step 2. Restart the printer and computer. Turn off your printer and computer. Wait 30 seconds, then turn them back on. A simple restart often fixes detection issues. Step 3. Verify scanner power. Ensure the printer is powered on and there are no error messages displayed on the printer screen. Step 4. Check Device Manager, Windows. Open Device Manager and look for your printer or scanner. If you see a warning icon, the driver may need attention. Step 5. Update the scanner driver. Download and install the latest scanner driver from the printer manufacturer's website. Outdated drivers can cause the scanner to disappear. Step 6. Run Windows Scanner Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot Other Troubleshooters and run the Printer Troubleshooter to detect common issues. Step 7. Enable Windows Image Acquisition, WIA. Press Windows R, type services.msc, and make sure Windows Image Acquisition, WIA, is running. This service is required for scanning. Step 8. Reinstall the printer software. Uninstall the printer software from your computer and install the latest version. This can restore missing scanner functions. Step 9. Check Scanner in Scan Apps. Open apps like Windows Scan, HP Smart, Canon Print, or your printer software and see if the scanner is listed there. Step 10. Remove and add the printer again. Go to Settings, Printer Scanners, remove the printer, then add it again. This often refreshes the scanner connection and makes it visible. Thanks for watching.